Bring your garden inside this winter with the 2.6 cubic foot Danby Fresh home herb grower. This grow box is ideal for families and urban gardeners who want to grow fresh fruits, herbs, vegetables, and flowers all year round. The black finish and glass door design give this unit a contemporary look that fits almost any kitchen or living room decor. Its reversible door hinge and integrated door handle offer versatility in small spaces. Equipped with one of the industry's most efficient 16-watt LED grow lights powered by Bloom Boss, you don't have to worry about costly energy bills. The optimized grow lights emit just the right wavelengths to make sure your plants grow strong and healthy. In the event of a spill, you can easily remove and adjust the wire shelf and overflow drip tray. Danby Fresh takes the guesswork out of gardening with its set it and forget it timer that constantly monitors internal temperature and regulates fresh air circulation at the press of a button. With the 2.6 cubic foot Danby Fresh home herb grower, you have everything you need to start growing fresh food for your family in your home.